What are the specific features of adaptive immunity and specific immunity? Acquired immunity, also known as adaptive or specific immunity, is capable of recognizing and selectively eliminating specific microorganisms. Acquired immunity is found only in vertebrates. It supplements the protection provided by innate or natural immunity. It is generated in response to an exposure or encounter to the microorganisms in question. Specific defense mechanisms require several days to be activated following the failure of non-specific defense mechanisms. Unique features of the adaptive immunity. Specificity, it is the ability to distinguish differences among various foreign molecules. Diversity, it can recognize a vast variety of foreign molecules. Discrimination between self and non-self. It is able to recognize and respond to molecules that are foreign to the body. At the same time, it can avoid response to those molecules that are present within the body of the given animal. Memory. When the immune system encounters a specific foreign agent, example microbe, for the first time, it generates an immune response and eliminates the invader. The immune system retains the memory for this encounter for a prolonged interval. As a result, a second encounter with the same microbe evokes a heightened immune response. Draw a labeled sketch of the structure of immunoglobulin. Give an account of the structure and functions of immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulins are glycoproteins. Each molecule of immunoglobulin consists of two pairs of polypeptide chains of different sizes. The smaller chains are called light L chains and the larger ones are called heavy H chains. The L chain has a molecular weight of approximately 25,000 and the H chain is of 50,000. The L chain is attached to the H chain by disulfide bond. The two H chains are also joined together by SS bonds depending on the class of immunoglobulins. The H chains are structurally and antigenically distinct for each class and are designated by the Greek letter corresponding to the immunoglobulin class as follows: immunoglobulin G, gamma, IgA alpha, IgM mu, IgD delta and IgE epsilon. The L chains are similar in all classes of immunoglobulins. They occur in two varieties, kappa and lambda. A molecule of immunoglobulin may have either kappa or lambda chains but never both. Region of polypeptide chains. Each heavy and light chains consist of two regions, the variable V region or Fab region. The V region shows a wide variation in amino acid sequences in the amino or N-terminal portion of the molecule. These areas of high variability in the variable region of H and L chains are called hotspots or hypervariable regions. These hotspots are most intimately involved in the information of antigen binding site. In both VH and VL regions of the chain, at least three hypervariable regions or hotspots are present. The infinite range of the antibody specificity of immunoglobulins depends on the variability of the amino acid sequences at the variable regions of the H and L chains which form the antigen combining sites. Constant C region or FC region, fragment of constant region. The C region denotes constant region with unvarying amino acid sequence in the C or COOH terminal portion of the molecule. Fragment of antigen binding site, FC, fragment of constant region. Depending on the observable reaction produced on mixing with antigens, the antibodies are designated variously as agglutinins, precipitants, and so on. Sera having high antibody levels following infection or immunization are called immune sera or antisera.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and education.